Times have changed in the tech industry. Once the hottest place to find a job, there's now trouble in tech land. For more, we have Andy Challenger Gray, and Christmas here with an update. Andy, what's happening?
Yeah, well, overall, the job market remains strong. We are seeing some worrying signs from certain industries. In technology recently, we've seen a number of stories of companies rescinding job offers they made to new college grads. We've seen a swath of layoffs announced in the cryptocurrency segment of the technology market. Coinbase announced they're laying off 18% of their workforce. We've seen a handful of financial technology companies announce layoffs. It could be the early sign of more to come.
What's your advice to college grads who lost their offers?
Yeah, for workers that have lost offers, we recommend getting back out there as quickly as possible. This is a time where there's still good opportunities for employees to be had, yet there is this threat of a possible recession. We know employers tend to hire 2 or 3 months into recessions when we look back at them, so I'd go out and take advantage of this market right away.
Working remotely is still going strong. What can you tell us?
Yeah, recent survey shows that 58% of workers can work at least one day from home, and 35% of workers can work completely remotely. That is still a lot of Americans working from home. And I think they're not quite at the post-COVID equilibrium of where we're going to end up as employers gain a little bit more power in the labor market. If we move into a recession, I think we'll see employers starting to ask people to come back more than what we're seeing it at. But clearly, this trend is here to stay, and we're not going to go back to a completely pre-COVID world.
Any downsides for companies with so many remote workers?
Yeah, companies more and more are recognizing some of the downsides of having so many remote workers. There's a real lack of an internal company culture. Companies are seeing quits rates that are through the roof. People don't feel as connected to their organizations. I am worried that that will cut the other way. If we move into a recession, employers are going to feel less tied to their employees, and we could see further cuts if things start to shift around.
Thank you as always, Andy.
Thanks for having me, Angie.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.